What is going on, guys? Welcome back. Today we're going to be learning about the relative position. One way to modify the default position of an element is by setting its position property to relative. This value allows you to position an element relative to its default static position on the web page. So, for example, if we have a .greenbox class and we have the background color is green, we set the position to be relative. So although the code in the example above instructs the browser to expect a relative positioning of the .greenbox element, it does not specify where the elements will be positioned on the page. This is done by accompanying the position with one or more of the following offset properties that will move the element away from its default static position. Top moves the element down from the top, bottom moves it up from the bottom, left moves it away from the left and away from the left side. So to the right, right will move it to the left side. You can specify these values in pixels or ems or percentages among others to dial in exactly how far you need the element to move. It's also important to note that the offset properties will not work if the element's position property is the default static. So in the example above, the element of the green box will be moved down 50 pixels and to the right 120 pixels from its default static position. The image below displays the new position of the box. So it was right here, so it's down and to the right, basically, since we pushed it that way. So offsetting the relative element will not affect the positioning of the other elements. So in the style.css, inside of the dot question, let's see, rule set change the property to relative. Okay, once we get the connection back, we're going to go to dot question and we're going to change the position to relative. Then next in the style.css, set the offset 40 pixels from the top. So we'll do top, go to do top and we'll do 40 pixels. All right, and there you go. That's how we have the question getting offset. So before we had this, pay attention to this one right here. You see how the question is like right there? Now if we put top, it's going to be moved further down essentially. So that's how the relative position works. I hope you did enjoy this, learning something. If you did, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the next one, and have a fantastic day.